Understanding the basics of our electrical system at home can help us to be safe from potential electrical hazards. There are various safety features installed in the circuit at home. Let's start with the main circuit from the service panel. This is the central distribution point for delivering electricity to our home switches, outlets, and appliances. The wiring system carries electricity from the panel to the circuits around the home. Mostly, it contains two wires, the live wire, usually 240 volts, and the neutral wire, which is usually close to 0 volts. There are also safety devices connected to the circuit to keep our home safe, namely fuses, miniature circuit breaker, earth wires, 3-pin plugs, and earth leakage circuit breaker. Let's discuss them one by one. Fuse is a piece of conducting wire with very low melting point. It is rated with current value that it can handle. When the current exceeds the safety limit, the fuse heats up and melts, creating an open circuit. The fuse should have a rated value that is slightly higher than the current of the appliance. It is also should be connected to the live wire. Next is the circuit breaker. Like the fuse, it is used to break the circuit when a large current flows through them. But unlike the fuse, circuit breaker doesn't blow off. It only turns off like a switch. Next is earth wire, the third wire that goes with the live and neutral wires in home circuit. It prevents electric shocks when an electric fault is present. Many electrical appliances have metal casing. If a loose wire touches the metal casing, anyone who touches the appliance gets electric shock. So the earth wire connected to the ground takes the current away from the metal casing. And lastly, the 3-pin plugs that connects an electrical appliance to the main supply via power socket. It is also called a safety plug. It also has a brown live wire, a blue neutral wire, and a green-yellow stripe earth wire. It also has fuse and outer insulation. Here are some safety measures for the safe use of electricity.